Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Truly, it's always a pleasure to have you here. Today's video is about this beautiful hairstyle I did on my daughter's hair. It's quite easy to do. If you'd like to find out how it's done, stay with me. Thanks for staying with me. I'm going to start on freshly washed, moisturized, and stretched hair. Yep, it's all crispy and clean. First thing I did was section the hair in two. Now I have almost a third on one side and a little bit less than, I should say I have more than a third on one side and a little bit less than 2/3 on the other side. So the first section, which is the biggest section, I braided it and tucked it away because I'm going to work on the smaller section first. The next step is to section this portion into two halves. Oh, I'm trying to achieve a triangle here, and this is the best way for me to achieve it. So I section it in half and then I try to form my triangle. I think it would be better if I was quiet and allow you to watch this video, because I think I may just confuse you if I keep talking. So I'm just going to be quiet and allow you to watch this video and drop in every now and again with some pointers. Okay, so keep watching. By the way, I sped this video up ×2 because no one wants to sit and watch a braiding video for 1.5 hours. So I had to speed it up. But if you want to slow it down, or if this video is going too fast for you, YouTube has provided us with the option of watching the video in slow motion or slow mode. So you can go ahead and slow it down if you wish. But I had to speed it up to save time. Alright? Keep watching. If you manage to get to this part of the hairstyle or complete the first 2 braids, then you would have managed to complete the hardest part of the hairstyle. Yes, I said it. You have completed the hardest part of the hairstyle if you did the first 2 braids, because what you'll be doing thereafter is repeating the step. That's it. Just repeat the step and continue. Please note that when you're braiding and you get to the roadblock or the crossroad right there, continue to braid as though you're doing a single plait braid. And when you have braided enough and reach to the other side, that's when you join the other side and continue the cornrow. Please do not stretch or pull the hair from one side to meet to the other side. All you have to do is continue to braid, and then you attach it to the other side and continue the cornrow. I'm going to slow it down right here so you can get what I'm saying to you. I hope you do. When you're braiding the hair and you get to this part, right here, so right there, so right here, just continue to plait it out. Don't stretch the hair across to meet the other side. You're going to continue plaiting the hair until there's enough braid to attach the other side. If you stretch the hair or if you pull the hair to meet the other side, that's a whole lot of tension on the scalp and on the hair. It will cause headache, it will cause toothache, it will cause alopecia, it will cause bump, it will cause all sorts of not so nice things. So do not stretch the hair. Just continue to braid as though you're doing a single part braid and join it on the other side. If you intend to try this hairstyle, you may want to continue through the entire section of the hair with this pattern. But I stopped right here and I'm going to do some starbursts right at the back, in the middle, and at the front to give it a different look. But you can go ahead and continue with the same pattern to have a bigger, what you call it, weaving pattern or basket pattern. I don't know what it is, but you may continue right through until the hair is finished. But as for me, I wanted a different look, so that's what I'm going for right here. done with the cornrow section of this hairstyle. Well, almost. I'm done with this section, and I'm gonna move on to the other side, which I'll be doing two-strand twist. If you don't know how to do two-strand twist, I already have a video on this channel that shows how to do the regular two-strand twist and the rope twist. So you may go ahead and watch that video just in case you don't know how to do two-strand twist. But I'm just gonna speed this up because all I'll be doing is twisting until I get to the top. So stay with me. On another head of hair, I would have twisted right through, but Michaela about 2 months ago snipped the front of her hair. Well, she chopped the front of her hair, and so it's extremely short, much shorter than the back section or the middle section. So I could not just twist it, do the single two-strand twist on the front, because it would look odd that the front is extremely shorter than the middle or the back. So what I did was just parted that section off, and I cornrowed it so that it would go back into the longer section and hang with the others. But if you're doing this hairstyle, you may want to go ahead and just twist the entire section on this side, because that was the intention of this hairstyle. But due to all this liquor girl trim off her hair, I had to just braid it backwards and join it with the longer sections. We are at the end of another beautiful hairstyle. This hairstyle took me at least 2 hours to do: the cornrow, the twist, and the beading. Altogether 2 hours, and it was worth every minute. Michaela loved her hairstyle. She looked in the mirror and she smiled. If you like this hairstyle, kindly give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think of it. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you're interested in other intricate and beautiful hairstyle, kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will know whenever I post another video. Thanks again for watching. You may go ahead and watch some more of my cool hairstyle videos. Bye.